Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see downloads on Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to see all of your downloads on your Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone, and after opening a Terabox app guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the two arrows icon available for us, one pointing up and the one pointing down at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the arrow icon at the top right corner of the screen and to land over here guys, where you'll be able to view all of the downloads on your Terabox app over here. You can see, and on this interface guys, you can see currently at the top of the screen we are on the download and the upload buttons over here. And download is the section guys where you will be able to view all of the downloaded files and media from the Terabox app to your phone, whereas at the right side on the upload button, all of your uploaded files to your Terabox app will be over here. For example, if you had backed up any kind of medias or documents or files over here uploaded onto the Terabox, then all of your uploaded documents will be over here, whereas your downloaded files from the Terabox app will be over here. So depending upon which list you want to view, either the downloaded from Terabox or uploaded to Terabox, it will be over here. And there guys, this is how to see downloads on Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.